If the students would have read the question first, they would know that it would be this. I want you to write diff,
Divide.
multiply, and what?
Divide.
And I'll show you why. Ready? Circle the question mark so we know that we're reading the question. How many count the periods? Are you ready?
Yes. One.
Gallon, that's one sentence.
Yes.
Driveway,
There's two.
2.
3.
Car,
3.
and
There's 6.
1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, guys, what happens is, I think what happens is,
There's 7.
the
Yeah, there's one
more
on the bottom.
the more sentences there are, it becomes like a paragraph. And a lot of kids just don't have the endurance to read that much information. Okay? But the problem with this one, the question said how many what?
How many liters of
Liters. So underline how many liters, because that is a number, was left. Say this please. How much left?
how much left?
You subtract.
You subtract.
Right again. How much left?
How much left? You subtract.
And I had some lazy kids, so I'm going to show you what they did. Right under left, they put this little text message. You subtract. And I was like, okay, flojo. As long as I know that's what you meant. So my kids had to, over here on the right-hand side, they knew that somewhere in there, to find out how much is left, it's either a remainder
Or the number.
or it's when you subtract. So we think it's subtract, but it could be also a remainder. So when you subtract at the bottom, there's a remainder. How much is left? Okay? All right. So they said how many liters? Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's read Dr. Garcia. Ready? Get set, go.
Dr.
Garcia is from a country that sells gasoline by the liter instead of by the gallon. So here in the United States, we sell it by the gallon.
Gallon.
I'm just going to miss. In Mexico, do they sell by liters or by gallons? Litros?
Sí, litros, sí, litros.
Okay, so it's similar to that. All right. So that's why we're going to be using liters today. Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Sir, we can't see.
Say again.
We can't see.
Can't see.
Yeah. I could.
How about like I put it lower then?
Not yeah, there.
Oh man, I think I made a mistake, miss.
Oh no.
We did the.
We did the wrong one.
No, we did the right one, but I meant to change the keyword. Go ahead. Go ahead and write right here. I'm gonna fix this.
knew it. Is that
Go ahead and put that word right there, because that's how it was, miss. They asked the question
Is there R?
with a different, so we're gonna put what?
Millimeters.
Milliliters. What I know-
I think it was,
Was it the other way
no,
around?
it's fine the way it was. The thing is the whole number. That 10.
Yeah, but what I think happened also that, so it might have been the same? Okay, then
Yeah, it was
let's
the actual,
leave it alone then,
yes.
okay? All right. Ready?
Yes.
Get set. Second sentence, second smarty, go. He is using a 10-liter container to put gasoline in 2 of his cars that were in his driveway. So, raise your hand please nice and high if you have 2 cars.
Oh yeah.
I have
More than 2 cars. Man, they're rich. Miss, how many cars do you have? 1. Abby? Bill? I have one boat that doesn't work, one truck that doesn't work, and one car that turns on most of the time. That's how I got here today. All right. How many liters?
10. Oh, no.
10.
That's 10.
All right. So with your dry erase marker, he has 10 what?
Liters.
Liters. If you can hear me, raise your hand. And
Oh.
he has nothing else. But I want you to notice something. If you can hear me, raise your hand. Repeat after me. Say decimal.
Decimal.
Number.
Number.
Decimal.
Decimal.
Number.
Number.
Which decimal has more numbers after it? On the first car or the second car?
First.
Okay. So guess what? We need to match it. So everybody say decimal.
Decimal.
Number.
Number.
Number. Okay? What that means is he has 10 liters and nothing else.
Dominic,
No tenths, no hundredths, and no what?
No thousands.
No thousands. Okay? What did they say he did first? He put?
He put 6.24 liters of gallon.
Does that mean that there's going to be more inside his gas tank or less? Less inside his container, but more inside his what?
His gasoline.
So he's losing some of the gas. He's putting how much?
245 liters of gas.
And how much?
25.
I need all the numbers, please.
6.245.
2, 4, 5. Everybody say this, please. 200.
245.
45. Okay, so this is the way I would teach them this. Watch, boys and girls. You say the number, and then you say the address. Okay, ready? He put 6
Point.
and
And
245,000 liters into which car?
The first car.
First car. Okay? Go ahead and draw a line. Difference.
Difference.
You subtract.
You subtract.
Try it again. Difference.
Difference. You subtract.
All right. When I say subtract, you're gonna go huh. Ready? Abby's gonna do it this way first, and then she's gonna check this way. I say difference, and you show me karate with huh. You remember that from last year?
Yes.
Ready? Hands on the side. I say difference, and you go huh. Ready? Difference. You switch hands. Difference. Because we're gonna have to subtract the first car and the second car. Ready? Again, same side. Difference. Difference. Other side. Let's see how good you got. You have less people, but you have bigger mouths. I mean, stronger voices. Get your hands ready. Let's see if you can beat them, even with less people. You beat them, you all get an MIA. Ready? Difference. They're making you guys look bad over here. You're that kind of people, you wouldn't make the robbers run away just because you're grunting like that. Just don't grunt like this. Yeah, not like that. Just don't grunt like this. Ready? Other one, because we have a first car and a what?
Second.
Difference. Difference. Here's your last chance. Show me. Don't let 10 people beat you. Difference. Difference. Difference.
You subtract.
How much left?
How much left? You subtract.
Very good.
We won.
I think you guys won. Why is Mira? You're in my way. Hazte payaso.